I know how frustrating it is to live with irritable bowel syndrome when you have to travel to the bathroom many times a day. Sudden bloating, gas, flatulence, and repeated feeling of passing stool is no less than a nightmare when half of your time goes in the toilet. Well, it is not only the case with you, but millions of people are suffering from this gastrointestinal disorder. But do you know that certain foods trigger this problem that you might be consuming unknowingly? Well, in my today's video, I will guide you on what food you should immediately eliminate if you have irritable bowel syndrome. Hello and good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Amisha. I heartily welcome you to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Well, today you will learn the foods that are worst for your IBS and you should immediately cut them off from your diet. So, let us begin. See, IBS is a chronic functional gastrointestinal disorder that causes abdominal discomforts and changes in bowel habits. It is a condition of your intestine and stomach, meaning in IBS, your gastrointestinal tract gets damaged and inflamed, and that's why you need to go to the washroom many times a day. IBS can cause abdominal pain, diarrhea, constipation, nausea, and vomiting. If it remains untreated, it can lead to generalized weakness. Now, let us discuss the foods that should not be on your table if you have IBS. Let's begin with a major trigger: fried and fatty foods. Foods like French fries, fried chicken, fried eggs, and deep oily chips can irritate the gut lining and worsen IBS symptoms. Foods high in saturated and trans fats can slow down digestion, leading to poor digestion and causing bloating, discomfort, and even diarrhea. If you have IBS, try to cut off deep fried and oily meals and opt for healthier fats like olive oil or avocado instead. Now, let's come to the second food item, which is dairy. See, if you are lactose intolerant and have IBS, then dairy products are no less than a nightmare for you. Dairy products such as milk, cheese, and curd contain a sugar called lactose. Lactose can be broken down by an enzyme called lactase. Many people do not produce enough lactase to break down lactose. Hence, they experience bloating, gas, and acidity right after drinking milk. But no worries, you can add other daily alternatives such as almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk. Now, the next food you should eliminate right away is carbonated and caffeinated drinks. Sodas, energy drinks, and refreshment drinks are loaded with excess sugar and carbon dioxide, which leads to excess gas production. Caffeinated drinks stimulate digestion and can thereby cause diarrhea. You can opt for other healthy drinks such as herbal tea, chamomile tea, ginger tea. Now we can't skip legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are packed with fiber and protein, but they also contain FODMAPs, fermentable carbohydrates that can trigger IBS symptoms like bloating and gas. If you love legumes but they don't suit you, try soaking them before cooking. Well, gluten can also worsen IBS symptoms. Even if you don't have celiac disease, gluten can still cause bloating and gas if you consume it in excess. If you notice worsening IBS symptoms while consuming gluten-rich foods, you can switch to gluten-free grains like quinoa, brown rice, and millet. If you are fond of salty and spicy foods, then you should immediately stop consuming them. Spices can inflame the gut and cause diarrhea thereby. Even salty and spicy foods can cause acidity and gas, which in turn worsen your IBS. You can opt for a salad containing cucumber, carrot, and beetroots. Alcohol is also a common trigger of IBS. Consuming alcohol can lead to dehydration, which affects digestion. It can irritate the gut, damage the digestive tract, and disrupt the gut microbiome. Hence, cutting off alcohol from your lifestyle can help you manage your IBS. So, there you have it. Some of the biggest IBS food triggers to be aware of them. Of course, everyone's body is different, and what affects one person might not affect another. The important thing is to pay attention to your body, keep a food diary, and figure out what works best for you. Well, IBS is seriously not a havoc. It can be treated with natural and holistic system of medicines. Digestive problems can easily be tackled with homeopathic medicines that act very gently on the system, unlike modern medicines. Well, homeopathic medicines invigorate your system, build overall immunity, and heal the system without causing any side effects. These medicines are given in globules dipped in potentized alcohol-based medicine that directly dissolve into the bloodstream and start acting on the root cause. It is very safe and effective and brings improvement in the condition in less time. Bharat Homeopathy is a distinguished phase in treating several digestive disorders with customized and personalized homeopathic treatment that suits the patient and helps them recover from their condition in less time. We have treated thousands of IBS patients worldwide, and now they are leading a healthy and happy life. We are a team of experienced doctors who carefully assess your condition and prescribe medicines after a complete case taking. So, if you or your loved one is struggling with IBS and looking for a natural and holistic treatment, then call us on our number and talk to us today. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for more health related updates. Thank you so much. Have a great day.